Hello guys, welcome back po sa aking channel, Parak Tutorial Video. So yung ating vlog ngayon is tungkol po sa tanong ng ating isa sa mga viewer, subscriber, or follower ng aking channel, Parak Tutorial Video. Sinabi niya or tinanong niya na yung barangay ba is makonsidera natin as court? So yan po yung ating sasagutin sa vlog na ito. At kung gusto nyong panoorin, tutukan yung content natin ngayon, please stay tuned lang po. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel para tutorial videos. Guys, tandaan po natin, yung barangay is isa sa mga pinakamaliit na sangay ng ating gobyerno, a basic political unit of the country. Yung establishment and operation ng barangay, o sabihin na natin the barangay justice system or yung katarungang pambarangay, was established by law. Ano po yung batas? Republic Act 7160, otherwise known as the Local Government Code of 1991. Ibig sabihin, yung barangay or yung barangay justice system is a basic community for dispute settlement mechanism or an alternative tool ng ating gobyerno para ma-resolve yung mga sigalot or conflict na nangyayari po sa ating barangay. Let's say guys, mayroong nangyaring minor offense or minor crime na naganap sa nasabing barangay or masasabi nating sigalot between both parties. Immediately, the offended party proceed to the barangay. Then, under the supervision or leadership of the punong barangay and his lupo ng tagapamayapa, will deliver or facilitate yung tinatawag na dispute resolution or mediation. So, the punong barangay and the lupong tagapamayapa who is also a barangay resident or member of that barangay will serve as intermediaries, mediators, counselor, or even arbitrator for the purpose of amicable settlement. So kung balikan po natin yung tanong na ang barangay ba is court, hindi po. Kasi the reason why the barangay was established by the government is for the purpose or to promote yung tinatawag na speedy administration of justice para ma-minimize yung mga congestions, dockets sa ating mga korte, yung ma-minimize yung mga indiscriminate filing of cases at para mabigyan ng halaga or ma-recognize yung importance of amicable settlement at barangay level. Klaruhin po natin, yung barangay ay hindi po parte ng court. Why? Because the barangay do not have judicial power. According po sa ating 1987 Philippine Constitution, Article 8, Section 1, sinasabi dito the importance of judicial power. Ano bang judicial power? It is referred to one Supreme Court and in such lower court as may be established by law. Ibig sabihin, yung ating Korte Suprema na nag-iisa was vested by the 1987 Philippine Constitution and yung mga lower court sa ilalim ng ating Korte Suprema, kagaya ng Court of Appeals, Regional Trial Court, Municipal Trial Court, Municipal Trial Court in City, the Municipal Circuit Trial Court, all of those are lower court which have judicial power. And the barangay is not belong to that lower court. So guys, dito lang po nagtatapos yung ating vlog content and I hope na na-address po natin yung sagot sa tanong ng ating isa sa mga viewer, supporter, subscriber ng aking channel. At sa mga hindi pa po nakasubscribe sa aking channel, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button so that magiging updated po kayo sa akin pang gagawing mga videos. So marami pong salamat and Bye-bye.